As I say, this may be best done from the bottom of the board. I'm just not sure. It went okay the last time. Basically, from what I have seen of this, oh, the iron, come on, cord, is on one end of the battery, I guess this is how it is kept from being how do I do this? Did I use this iron or did I use the big one? I think I used this iron. On one end of the battery is one little contact thing which goes into the circuit board. And on the other end there are two. I'm just trying to get this right up tight. And now I'm trying to rock it, and guess what? Nothing is happening. This is discouraging. See, I had my big Weller here, and I think I still do. I didn't think I used it though. I thought this came to life. I guess I could look back at the video. I really don't want to burn myself. Or do any more damage. Well, that is doing nothing. That is doing nothing. Let me see if I can have any success at the other side of the board. Not really. Maybe I used the other one. It has not been that long ago. One would think I could remember. Let me just unplug that. Okay, so video number 1 on removing the battery. I don't think the 40-watt iron does it. Now I'm trying to stop it.